Hello you lot, welcome back to the channel, and what a glorious day this is at the very beginning of April. Today's video I'm going to be tackling my headlights, so let's have a quick look and show you. I mean, it's still early, so they're covered in condensation, but there's these marks that I can feel, but I think they're on the inside. But what I'm going to do is get my dual action polisher out and go over them anyway. Like I say, I think most of this is on the inside, but I'm going to give it a go. So let's start the car up, turn it around and get my gear out and get going. Right, first things first, I'm going to open the bonnet. As you may have remembered in a previous video, I fixed the bonnet latch, which is really good. I've got my extension cable, I've got my dual action, my DA. It's just a cheap one I picked up in Argos a couple of years ago, but could do with a wipe, but it's really, really good. This is the product I'm going to try. I've used it before, so like I say, it's a clear plastic polish, because I don't believe that's glass. It feels like plastic. Anyway, so let's get the bonnet open. And the reason I've opened the bonnet is obviously because when I come up across the top of the light with the DA, I don't want to get it all over the bonnet, so I'm probably going to put a little bit of masking tape on there and a bit around there. There's nothing I can do about those edges, but I mean, the bumpers need sorting anyway. And obviously this is on my agenda, a couple of new wings. I've been meaning to do it for a while, but like with everything else, it gets delayed, and again, I'm a bit rotten at the minute, so I will get those orders put in, because the other thing I want to do is, it's hard to see, but the engine mount down here, I can feel it with my finger, it's domed, so I think it's probably gone. Gearbox one seems okay, but that's down under there. But before I do anything, I think I will get the mounts ordered, and obviously the one at the back down there, whether I can do them on the drive, because obviously you've got to keep the engine lifted or suspended, however you choose to do it. I want to go over this bit as well, maybe not today, it's too cold, and also get rid of some of these blooming cobwebs every day. Anyway, let's get my masking tape out and start doing the edges. that side's taped up and that side's taped up. Obviously I'm going to get a little bit of fling, but if I keep the DA relatively close and speeds down, it shouldn't fling everywhere, as I say. One thing I will show you, that's the pad I'm going to use. It's one I've used on the plastic bumper before, and as I say, that's the product I'm going to use. Give it a bit of a shake, because it's obviously been in the garage for a year. Put a few little blobs around like that. I'll go and get my gloves on and rub that all in, and then obviously go and dab it on the lights and get going. Right, so that's the first pass, and that was done with the settings quite low. Obviously you can still see pits and stuff, but it's much better. This one, as I thought, is much better, but obviously these marks here, that one's still a little rough to touch, but you can see all the plastics like crazed a little, so I suspect the majority of that's on the inside, but for a first cut, I mean, they look a million times better. So I'm going to increase the speed a little bit. I probably won't film it because it's more of the same. I'll bring you back when I've gone over again and see where we're at. And it's cold. It's about 3 degrees now, so I thought the day was going to be getting better. Anyway, let's carry on. There we go. I've yet to take the tape off, but what I've done is I've put some Maguire's UV protectant on. It's basically a plastic protectant for the car, but obviously it's got UV ultraviolet protection, so it should protect it a little bit from the sun. As you can see, I've still got a couple of little marks. As I say, I went over it with a quicker speed, but that and that I believe has burnt in. I'm not sure what's happened there. Maybe the bulbs have been uprated. I don't know. They're certainly bright, I can tell you that much. So all I've got left to do now is take the blue tape off, give it a quick wipe over. Job's done. There we go, all done. All I've got to do now, wash the pad up before I pack it away. Something I've always done, always will do. I've got some garden waste to take to the tip. But let's show you the lights. Much better, eh? Right, yeah. So, it's another job off the list. I know it's a brief video again. Like I say, I'm still waiting on parts. It's been months. But better to be patient than whatever they say. Anyway, so let's turn my car around, load it up with my garden waste, take it to the refuge centre, or tip as it's still called. Yep, it's a practical daily as well. And then I'll edit and upload this video for you to watch. And as per usual, thanks for watching. Share it amongst your friends, you never know. They may enjoy my boring witter. But as per usual, have a good one, and I'll see you in the next one.